What are the best OS command line tools for disk partitioning? Imagine you are setting up a new computer or reorganizing your existing one. You need to split your hard drive into sections so your operating system can manage data better. That's where disk partitioning comes in. Using command line tools for this task gives you precise control, especially during OS installation or recovery. These tools are essential for system administrators and advanced users who want to customize their disk layout. On Linux and Unix-like systems, the most common tool is called Fdisk. It is simple to use and supports both master boot record and GID partition table formats. With Fdisk, you can create, delete, resize, and modify partitions. It has an interactive interface, so you get step-by-step guidance. It works well for basic partitioning tasks during OS setup or disk maintenance. Another powerful tool is Util. It supports many partition table formats, including MBR, GPT, and BSD. Util allows creating, deleting, resizing, and setting attributes on partitions. It can move and resize partitions without data loss, making it great for reorganizing disks or preparing drives for multiple operating systems. You can automate tasks with scripting, which saves time when managing many disks. For macOS users, the built-in command line tool is Disk Utility. It supports managing Apple file system containers, HFS+, and other macOS-specific file systems. Disk Util can list disks and partitions, create and resize partitions, erase volumes, and change file system types. It is especially useful for managing newer Apple file systems and troubleshooting disk issues through scripts. Windows users relying on DiskPart. This command line utility manages disks, partitions, and volumes. You can create, delete, format, and convert partitions between master boot record and GID partition table. DiskPart also allows setting partition attributes like active or hidden. It is handy during OS installation or recovery, giving more control than the graphical disk management tool. Cross-platform tools like Gparted are also popular. Though it has a graphical interface, Gparted can run from a bootable live CD or USB on Linux, Windows, and macOS. It supports many file systems and partition tables. Gparted allows resizing, moving, copying, creating, and deleting partitions without data loss. It is especially useful when native tools are unavailable or working across different operating systems. To sum up, the best command line tool depends on your operating system and what you need to do. Linux users often choose Fdisk for quick tasks or Util for more complex jobs. macOS users turn to Disk Util for managing Apple-specific file systems. Windows users find DiskPart very useful for detailed disk management. And Gparted offers a flexible, cross-platform option when native tools fall short. Knowing which tool to use makes disk partitioning safer and more efficient during OS setup or maintenance.